Motorcycle dash camera M1000. Accessories includes rear camera, front camera, host, power cable, bracket. Installation accessories and manual. Connecting rear camera and power cable with the main host, and then powering on the main host. It supports snapshot on the main host. One button to lock the current video. Opening app to connect dash camera. And then it can view the recorder screen in real time. It can be viewed in full screen. It supports to stop recording the video on the phone. Take photo. View playback. And click setting button to set the dash camera.